guys, welcome to my channel. This is Tarvi Dhillo and today we will talk about color correction. The aim of makeup is to have even skin tone and majority of us have darkness around our mouth, under eyes or forehead. This is the reason why we cannot directly apply foundation on our face in order to get flawless base. If you have nothing to correct, you can go ahead and apply the foundation directly. Let's see how it appears if we directly apply foundation under my eyes where I badly need correction. On the other side, I am going lighter with my foundation to see how the highlight color works on my dark circles. Can you see the grey appearance? It's because the light colors are reflecting blue undertones, due to which my under eyes are appearing ashy. So now let's get started with the correct order. Most of us have correctors, but they may not be according to our skin tone. So what should we do? Shall we throw it away? No. I have this dark corrector from Nykaa and the shade is deep, which means it's not for my skin tone. Although I can use this corrector, but I will need a very pigmented foundation and concealer to hide its brightness. And too much layering of product is never ideal, especially under eyes where we are going to crease a lot. So to make it of my tone, I am taking a mixing plate and picking a yellow undertone concealer and scraping a very tiny amount of orange corrector from the corrector palette. Now I'm mixing this tiny amount of orange in the concealer and not the other way around. The concealer will neutralize the darkness of orange color and make the color suitable for my skin tone. Now while applying corrector, there are 3 things to keep in mind. First, it's better to apply the corrector with finger or a brush because it will give you a better coverage. Secondly, don't go thick with your corrector because you'll be layering up more products and it might end up looking cakey. And finally, just use the corrector on the areas where the correction is actually required and not on the whole face because it will show up if there is nothing to correct underneath. After you have applied the color corrector, just lock it with a loose powder and it will not let the color of corrector to mix with your foundation. Now I have 2 foundations, one is light and the other one is 1 shade darker than my skin tone. So I'll be mixing both the colors to make perfect tone for myself. And I'll also show you how I choose correct color of foundation for myself. So this first swatch is of the color that we made by mixing the 2 foundations. This second swatch is of the lighter foundation. And the third swatch is of the darker foundation. We can clearly see how the mixed foundation is going perfect with my skin tone, and you can also take this test to find the right color for yourself. Also, it is important to give time to your product to get dry. Don't just slap products one after the other. Don't set a wet concealer or foundation, otherwise it may get muddy. There are other color correctors as well, like green, lavender, yellow, but I think Indian skin tone majorly need orange corrector and everything else is taken care by foundation and concealers. So here is the final look. I hope this video is helpful. See you all in the next video.